Arguably one of the most popular ranges from Patagonia is their R family of mid-layers. But what exactly is R, and where do they fit in your outdoor life? So first off, what does the R mean? The Patagonia R family have this stitched logo on the sleeve, sometimes colour matched, sometimes in a contrast colour, but it's always there. Well, R stands for regulator, which should be a good indicator of what Patagonia designed these fleeces to be. We can broadly split the R into three separate camps: R1 Air, R1 Techface and CrossStrata, and R2 Techface and CrossStrata. Let's start with the R1 Air. There's a crew neck available in men's only, but the other members are in both men's and women's in quarter zip and a hooded full zip version. The hoods are under helmet and the hand pockets are not harness compatible, something to bear in mind if you plan on climbing in the air. The secret sauce of the R1 Air is the 100% recycled polyester hollow core yarn that has been woven into a unique zigzag texture which has a few key advantages. That texture increases the surface area of the fabric, offering a great amount of warmth but also incredible breathability, keeping your temperature regulated. That texture also enables the fabric to dry quickly and efficiently wick moisture, great for when you're working hard on the hill. Pop a windproof layer over the top and you'll be nice and toasty. Also in the R1 moniker is the R1 Techface for men and the R1 CrossStrata for women. These two visually look slightly different, mostly on the inner fleece texture, and have a slightly different fabric makeup, but they are both designed to do the same thing. Both are lightweight softshell jackets for improved abrasion resistance when using them out in the mountains. Still highly breathable, but with more focus on protection than the R1 Air. You end up with a very comfortable, stretchy layer that moves well with you for any activity in the mountains, with the added benefit of wind and water resistance thanks to a PFC-free DWR and added abrasion protection thanks to the tougher face fabric. Storage is also bumped up with two harness-compatible hand pockets as well as the chest pocket on the R1 Air, along with that under-helmet hood on the CrossStrata and an extra layered chest pocket ideal for snacks or sunnies. Patagonia opted for an over-helmet hood with an adjuster on the Techface for men, along with the bottom hem adjuster too. We then jump over to the R2 Techface and CrossStrata. Think of these as the bigger siblings of the R1. A bit burlier, a bit warmer, but still the same principle. Still using recycled polyester and spandex to get that super stretchy finish, the R2 is a heavier weight softshell hoodie for colder days in the mountains, but equally as well suited to running those daily errands when you want a cozy, durable mid-layer to keep the worst of the weather out. The R2 gains yet another chest pocket, and the hooded versions are both under helmet hoods for those cold climbing sends. On the fit front, everything in the R range is in Patagonia's Slim Fit, which is a slightly more technical fit than some of their more casual pieces, but you should still be able to stick to your normal size. Everything Ben has been wearing here has been a large, which is what he would normally go for. Lucy was wearing a UK 12 or medium in the R1 Air and a UK 10 or small in the CrossStrata models. So you may find that sizing up in the Air is more comfortable, but personal preference also comes into play with fit here. The R family has been designed so there's something for everyone within the collection, from the daily grind to alpine sending. R has you covered. There are even more members of the R family. Follow the link below to see our entire R range. As always, if you have any questions, pop them in the comments below and we'll get back to you. We'll see you in the next one.